Excuse me, miss.
Hi.
What's the most expensive item you own?
Probably a Supreme guitar that I have that's worth like $10,000.
Whoa. Can I go see it?
Yeah, let's go. Alright, go to my closet. There it is.
Oh my gosh. How many of these were made, do you know?
I actually don't know, but I feel like it was a very limited edition because I think they're made in the USA.
I've never even heard of a Supreme guitar. This is wild.
It's like a famous guitar too. It's a Fender. The Post Malone on my 30th birthday, he showed up, and then like a few minutes later, he had this dude come in and bring me this present.
Oh my goodness. Can you play me something?
I don't know how to play anything.
How does it feel?
It feels like I wish I was a musician.
An amazing gift. Oh my gosh, can I touch it? Can I feel it? Whoa.
I love the red.
Yes, this is crazy.
I'm very into my shoes lately. Into
the
these
Solomons.
I love these Simone Rocha, I think.
Yes, yes.
These are just like so wild.
Doublet. I've seen this in like Dover Street. I don't even know if I'm saying it right.
Like, I don't know, $20 probably. But I get so inspired by all the details on vintage clothing.
And then do you use like vintage pieces as references for Teddy Fresh?
I do. I have like a whole other closet at the office with all of my favorite.
All the reference pieces? So say, what's your favorite Teddy Fresh piece at the moment?
This was inspired by like, there's this vintage jacket that's like existing in so many different variations. I want to recreate this. And for me, adding the lining is like, I'm obsessed.
So
like it's such
cute
a fun
with the little
detail.
bears.
Yeah, pretty much been wearing it every day. This was one where I kind of like went a little wild.
Splurge. Whoa, the Prada.
I love these, like vintage Burberry. This one's vintage YSL. I like to keep all my sweaters folded so they don't get like stretched.
Right, because the hangers will ruin the shoulders.
Which I didn't know for a while. This one, for example, my mom made.
Oh, no way. Is this like all hand crocheted?
Yeah.
I wonder how long it took her.
It took her a while actually.
What brand? I've seen this brand before.
Yeah, not again.
Like, Shapova Loena.
My favorites that we've made, Teddy Fresh.
This is super cute. I love this. Tell me about this.
So
what is this?
We have a collaboration for my clothing line Teddy Fresh. It's like I look like a totally different person.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. I love it. Did you like creative design this wig or direct it?
Yeah, I asked this girl Jackie that I met over Instagram. Where
Jackie Bieber?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I know Jackie Bieber.
So I was like, can you make me a wig that's got like a flame all over it, and also can you do it in like 2 days?
So good.
Yeah.
Was this gonna be like a fashion week look maybe or something that you...
Maybe. Except I like rarely leave the house.
Really?
New mom to like, we have 2 kids, so yeah, it's complicated.
Whoa, what is that dress?
Lifer shop.
Whoa.
She does like scraps into dresses. She upcycles, and so I sent her a bunch of Teddy Fresh t-shirts.
Have you worn this piece yet?
I did wear it, yeah.
Yeah? I feel like I have to try this on, Hila.
Yes, please do.
Am I allowed?
I want to see it on you.
But with the wig and maybe like a crazy bag. Ooh, Miu Miu.
Would you want to wear it with a vintage Miu Miu?
Yes. Miu Miu wig, Teddy Fresh dress.
Okay.
Do I look crazy? What do I look like right now?
Elton John, ex-Post Malone.
I feel like Elton John's daughter who's best friends with Post Malone's cousin.
Nailed it.
Perfect. Okay. No way.
2017.
Wow, look at baby Posty. Like,
Yeah.
oh my gosh, you had brown hair.
I know.
No face tats on
No
Posty.
face tats. Also us and Mac DeMarco. Yeah, that was a special birthday.
Who makes this piece?
So I worked with the stylist Kathy Hahn, and she knows all the...
Posties?
Yeah, so she...
Hi, Kathy. Have you tried it on yet? Have you worn it yet?
I have not worn it yet.
Oh my gosh, we might have to do a try on for the video.
So cute.
Angel, so cute. And the Eiffel Tower, oh my god, it's a keychain. This is an actual keychain. And the barbed wire. And I didn't
This belt, I just got, it's vintage. I got it on like one of those websites at Etsy or something.
Wow.
Like $70.
Only 70.
Yeah.
Diesel is so in right now, and you can move the letters around.
Yes.
Oh yeah, wait. Let's see the necklaces.
Okay.
Too.
Big heart one is when I was in New York, I walked into the Prada store. And there was just this one necklace. I don't know if it was one of one or something, but I've never seen it since.
Wow.
I love it. Like, it's one of my favorite purchases ever.
So cool. Is it heavy?
A little bit.
Oh yeah, that's heavy.
And then this one is Steady Fresh.
Whoa. Oh my god. This is so cute.
It's so fun when people appreciate. I would save up, like I didn't have a lot of money, but I would work the whole month and save up to buy like one pair of jeans that I was like obsessed, you know, Wrangler or something. But like in Israel, they were really expensive.
I don't think I would go close to anything that was that much. That's why I thrifted everything.
Right, same. I actually tried to get into fashion school, but I didn't get in Israel.
Really?
And then the next year I got into art school. And so I ended up going to college and doing a BFA in art.
So you can draw really well?
Yes, I can.
Wow.
So most of my designs and sketches I do by hand.
Yeah,
that's such
awesome.
a good skill to have.
Sometimes we'll do styles like that where it's like totally my art on the clothing. And sometimes we freelance other artists that I find on Instagram. I love featuring other artists. And I have a team of like 3 people that we all work super close together. And yeah, I'm heavily involved. I wouldn't say I design every single thing, but I'm involved from like inspiration to the final product.
Art seems to be a super big part of your life. Do you have any art pieces you could show me?
I do.
Oh my gosh.
Let me show you.
You made these?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. And they're all stickers?
Yeah. These are my Fonui on Instagram. She does like handmade tie-dye clothing. I think it was my first purchase of like real artwork.
That's one thing I need to learn more about is like art and furniture. Oh my god, I love this guy. The little duck with the goggles. So cute.
Balls by Studio Haroge, and they sell these by like either one or like packs of 3, I think, and I just decided to like, get a bunch and do the whole wall.
This is catching my eye over here. Oh my god.
It's
Supreme.
Yes, it's Supreme.
No way.
This is our friend Garrett. Actually, one of our fans, their dad did that. And it's like a legit painter. Yeah.